Welcome to our business enhancing Balconette Trade Affiliate Program. This is a comprehensive program with benefits which include trade discounts, priority service, dedicated account managers, installation training, online design tools, and more. Today in this second video of our series, we'll be discussing onboarding and how to navigate the simple, free online process. You'll also get an insight into the service our dedicated account managers provide as your personal Balconette representative. Before we start, let's refresh your memory. What is a Balconette trade affiliate? A trade affiliate is a returning trade customer who sees the tangible benefits of doing repeat business with Balconette. What's first? The first thing you must do in the process is sign up for a new account. Go to the top right-hand corner of the home page and click Sign In. From there you'll be directed to a page where you can either create an account if one is required, or by logging in using your existing account information. Now you're in the My Account area of our site. From here you'll have access to your personal account details, past and current quotes, all orders and invoices. Within this area there is also a Trade Account button. This button will send you directly to our Balconette Trade Affiliate information page. This page can also be accessed by going to www.balconette.co.uk/join. It is here you'll find in-depth videos and a library of detailed information pertaining to the affiliate program. You'll also find a Trade Account application form button. From there, just fill in the form. Now that you've completed the application, we'll review it internally and allocate a dedicated account manager to assist you. This person will call to finalize the onboarding process and inform you of the discounts and perks offered for being a Balconette trade affiliate. You will liaise with this account manager throughout the duration of your affiliation with Balconette. They are your point of contact, able to assist you when needed. You are now able to work and seamlessly place orders with Balconette. Let's conclude this video. With access to our online 3D design tool, our foremost professional installers, technical team, product knowledge, and available installation training workshops, you are another step closer to increasing your sales offerings and growing your bottom line. In our next video we'll demonstrate how to use our online 3D design tool. To sign up for your free Balconette Trade Affiliate Program account, go to www.balconette.co.uk/join. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your login or create a new account.